Whoa! In today's video, we say goodbye to a little Ora 5. Check out this state-of-the-art GWM crash lab to better understand how GWM puts their money where their mouth is. A total of 8 tracks giving GWM the capability to crash test almost every imaginable scenario, up to 120 kilometers per hour. As battery electric vehicles become more popular, there is also a dedicated area for crash testing new energy vehicles. The crash test is currently being set up, and it will be captured by these phantom high-speed camera. They capture at 4,000 frames per second. Now to the dummy room. Depending on the crash test or the standards such as C NCAP, A NCAP, or E NCAP, there are a total of 30 dummies, each costing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Finally, let's get to the juicy part. This dolly will be accelerated to the little Ora 5 at exactly 60 kilometers per hour, T-boning it right in the middle. This test also includes one adult driver with one 10-year-old child and a 6-year-old child in a booster seat. The time has finally come. Let's watch the crash. Now let's watch it again in slow motion. You can see the impact has sent the car flying. The airbags deployed, the emergency signals came on, and here are a few more angles for you to enjoy. You can really see the impact and how far the car has been sent. Let's check out the aftermath. On the outside, you can see the clear indentation on the doors where the impact was. You can also see the reinforcement bars inside the front and the rear door. One thing that surprised me was the windows didn't shatter or crack. From all the other angles, you can hardly tell that this Ora 5 has just been through a major accident. That really gives you the confidence in the safety of the GWM Ora 5. On the inside, you can clearly see the driver's head landed exactly where it should on the curtain airbag and the center airbag. As for the children in the second row, you can also see exactly where the head landed on the curtain airbag. With the high-speed camera on the inside, here is what it looked like. Well, that's about it, guys. I hope this has given you more of an insight to the GWM Ora 5 and how much GWM invests in your safety. Make sure you like and subscribe for all things GWM. Thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.